Welcome back to Don't Do This Guide. Today, we're diving into the world of pests and how to keep them out of your home. Pests can be more than just a nuisance. They can cause real damage and even health issues. We're talking about those little things you might be doing around the house that are practically inviting bugs, rodents, and other unwanted guests. From leaving food out to not sealing your trash properly, these small habits can lead to big problems. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to a pest-free home. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Picture this. You're a tiny ant on a mission to find snacks. You and your fellow ants are always on the lookout for food sources, and human homes are like treasure troves for you. You spot a house and start your journey. The scent of food is irresistible, and you know that where there's food, there's a way in. Would you rather navigate a solid brick wall or squeeze through a tiny crack? Exactly, the crack. These small openings are like highways for you and your friends. Our homes are full of these tiny entry points that we often overlook. Gaps around windows, cracks in the foundation, and unsealed vents are just a few examples. Sealing these entry points is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to keep pests out. By taking a few minutes to seal these gaps, you can prevent a lot of headaches down the road. Grab some caulk or weather stripping, and take a walk around your home's exterior. Look closely at areas where different materials meet, like around windows and doors. Remember, you're not just sealing up cracks, you're building a fortress against those pesky invaders. Let's talk about food. More specifically, how not to turn your pantry into an all-you-can-eat buffet for pests. Pests have an incredible sense of smell, and leaving food out or improperly stored is like sending them a dinner invitation. Invest in some airtight containers. This keeps your food fresher and creates a barrier that pests can't penetrate. Make it a habit to clean up spills and crumbs immediately. Ensure your garbage bins are sealed tight and take the trash out regularly. Remember, a clean kitchen is a pest-free kitchen. It's not just about how you store your food. It's about those tiny messes we leave behind. Even if you can't see the mess, pests can still smell it. Be diligent about cleaning. Wipe down surfaces regularly, sweep and vacuum frequently, and don't forget those hard-to-reach places. A little bit of cleaning goes a long way in preventing a big pest problem. Plant lovers, this one's for you. Overwatering your plants can attract unwanted visitors. Pests need water to survive, and overwatering creates a standing water source that's like a magnet to thirsty bugs. Look out for signs like soggy soil and wilting leaves. Adjust your watering schedule and ensure your pots have proper drainage. Give your plants the right amount of water and they'll thrive without attracting pests. Let's talk about mosquitoes. One of the biggest culprits behind mosquito infestations is standing water. Mosquitoes need water to breed, and any source of standing water can become a breeding ground. Eliminate standing water. Clean your gutters, change the water in bird baths and pet dishes, and don't leave containers lying around. Even emptying a watering can after use can make a difference. A dry home is a mosquito-free home. When we see a spider or ants, our first instinct is often to take matters into our own hands. We rush to grab the nearest spray or trap, thinking we can handle the situation ourselves. DIY pest control methods can be effective, but only if used properly. It's tempting to think that a quick spray here or a trap there will solve the problem instantly. However, it's crucial to use them correctly. Always read the label. The instructions are there for a reason, and following them can make a big difference. Pest control products are chemicals, and they can be hazardous if not handled with care. Wearing protective gear like gloves and masks is essential. Using them incorrectly can be dangerous. More is not always better. When in doubt, consult a professional. They have the training and expertise to handle pest issues safely and effectively. Storing firewood near your house is like rolling out the welcome mat for pests. Firewood provides shelter, moisture, and food for a variety of critters. Store your firewood at least 20 feet away from your house and elevate it off the ground. Inspect firewood carefully for signs of pests before bringing it indoors. A little bit of prevention goes a long way in keeping your home pest-free. Enjoy that fire, but keep those creepy crawlies at bay. Clutter provides the perfect hiding spots for all sorts of critters. The more clutter you have, the harder it is to spot pests. Declutter. Start by tackling one area at a time and get rid of anything you don't need. Organize what you do and make it a habit to put things away regularly. A clutter-free home is a pest-free home. Thrifting is great, but secondhand items can come with unwanted hitchhikers. Inspect secondhand items carefully for signs of pests before bringing them into your home. Look for small holes, droppings, or shed skins. Pay close attention to seams, crevices, and any areas that might provide hiding spots. If possible, give the item a good vacuuming or cleaning before bringing it inside. A little bit of caution can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Improper garbage disposal is like setting out a giant buffet for pests. Pests are attracted to food waste and have an incredible sense of smell. Invest in trash cans with tight-fitting lids and take the trash out regularly. Make sure your compost is properly maintained and located far away from your house. Proper garbage disposal is about preventing pests. Be mindful of your trash and keep those unwanted dinner guests away. Pet food and waste can be a major attraction for pests. Store pet food in airtight containers and remove their food bowls after they're done eating. Clean up any spilled food or crumbs immediately. Clean up after your dog regularly and scoop the litter box daily. A little bit of pet hygiene goes a long way in preventing pests. Keep your furry friends happy and your home pest-free. A neglected yard can quickly transform into a breeding ground for pests. Overgrown grass, piles of leaves, and untrimmed trees provide cover for rodents and other critters. Keep your yard tidy. Mow your lawn, rake up leaves, and trim your trees and shrubs. Remove any standing water sources. A well-maintained yard is about preventing pests. Grab those gardening gloves and get to work. Ignoring early signs of infestation is like hitting the snooze button on a ticking time bomb. By the time you see 1 or 2 pests, there are likely dozens more hiding out of sight. Early detection is key. Inspect your home for additional signs of pests. Identify the type of pest and take appropriate action. Don't wait until the problem has spiraled out of control. Act fast and reclaim your home from those unwanted intruders. And there you have it, folks. 13 common pest control blunders you might be making without even realizing it. By avoiding these simple mistakes, you can create a hostile environment for pests and keep your home safe, healthy, and pest-free. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Don't Do This Guide for more tips on avoiding common pitfalls. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.